Hey, this is Z-Ray here, and I have a question for you. Do you hate writing ad copy, sales copy, email copy, and VSL for your business? Hate to pay an expensive copywriter to write a copy that does not deliver the results you deserve? Do you spend hours, days, or weeks trying to write a copy that does not convert? Do you wish there was an easy way to create a copy that converts and frees up your time? If so, stop what you're doing and pay close attention to this short video. Did you know copywriting is hard? Whether you're trying to write ads copy, sales copy, email copy, VSLs, or webinar scripts, there's a huge volume of work involved, and the repetitive nature of the tasks can drain your creativity. Even writing copy for your sales page, ads, and email or webinar is not everyone's cup of tea. But outsourcing is expensive, time-consuming, and almost always delivered late. And when the copy fails to convert, oh boy. Time wasted, money wasted with low return on investment, and certainly no success. That is where most entrepreneurs, like you, dreams die and never write copy that convert and give you the results that you deserve. But from now on, you no longer have to stare at a blank page again. First, say goodbye to all expensive copywriter from now, because I have a solution for you. Imagine if minutes from now, you could have your very own battle-tested AI-based copywriter app, which creates high-converting sales copy, email copy, ads copy, webinar script, headlines, VSLs for life, without outsourcing, without writer's block, without any skill required, without hiring any expensive copywriter, without any restriction or limitation, all just for unbeatable one-time low fee. Introducing CopyEmpire. CopyEmpire is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create high-converting sales copy, email copy, ads copy, webinar script, headlines, VSLs for life, without any limitation or without any restriction, and all for life, at an unbeatable low one-time fee. CopyEmpire saves you hundreds of dollars a year in content writing fees, while providing a unique and better, faster, and more marketer-friendly content than an expensive copywriter. And CopyEmpire is the only platform that allows you to generate 100% unique content in any niche, using proprietary AI tech, create high-converting sales copy and emails copy, webinar script, and VSLs in seconds. Fully next-gen cloud copywriting platform, 100% newbie-friendly, easy-to-use software. Create, edit, and start using your copy in seconds. Unlimited usage without paying for any monthly charges. Automatically create your funnel copy yourself without hiring any expensive copywriter. Cloud-based app, so there's never anything to install or update. No more writer's block, no more copy that doesn't convert. Perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, offline, everyone. 24/7 premium support. Designed to perfection for beginners to make instant profits. No more recurring fee or success tax. All this and more for a low one-time fee. When you have CopyEmpire, next-gen cloud copywriter app. No more outsourcing. No restriction or limitation on copy creation. No limitations on number of content you create. No more copy block. You only pay once and enjoy lifetime access. With CopyEmpire, you can create high-converting copy in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the CopyEmpire app. Step 2. Fill a very short questionnaire, just simple questions, to help the software know more about your products and services. Step 3. Simply click on Generate, and that's all. The job is done. Instantly, the software's AI writes your copy for you. CopyEmpire is designed for those who like to be in full control of their content and copy, but at the same time, hate complicated software. It's for you if you simply don't want to pay extra for a copy that does not deliver the results you deserve. Want to build something uncomplicated which grows and makes you more money over years? It's for you if you're sick and tired of paying heavy fees to a copywriter that does not provide copy that converts in return for low profile and massive no success. CopyEmpire is a perfect fit if you run a service-based or product-based business. If you're a blogger, coach, consultant, freelancer, copywriter, designer, developer, expert, speaker, or just started online marketing career. It's a true win-win, but only available till the timer on this page hits 0, and price is increasing every 30 minutes or every sale. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get access to your copy of CopyEmpire at unbeatable low one-time fee and take your business into next levels. But wait, we're not done yet. If you grab your copy of CopyEmpire during this launch offer, you will get premium bonuses that are priceless for free. And, of course, you are covered by our no questions asked, ironclad money-back guarantee, where you can test drive this bad boy for 30 days for free. Just ask for your money back, and we will send it back to your source account. So, get started right away. Click the buy button to get access to your CopyEmpire copy, which is the fastest and the most preferred copywriting app for business owners and marketers like you for a low one-time fee. Hopefully we will see you on the inside.